him off! Ah! Get my ear! Get him off, bro, please! Please! Please, get him off! Please!
Why would you put him on you to begin with? Don't move.
No, he's gonna yank my ears.
And the birds was watching him.
Yo, why don't you put seeds on his ears?
Down.
Michael,
Bro,
put seeds.
He's ready to bite.
Get him off! Get him off!
Yo, he's opening his feet. Don't move like that. He's flaring his wings.
Get
When
him
they
off!
flare, they attack. Tell him the truth.
Get him off!
Don't move. He's flaring his wings, Rob. Oh my God, he's flaring the wings. Don't move.
Take my ear! You're gonna take my ears off! Take him! Take him! Take him, he's gonna bite my ears off. I can't breathe.
He can't breathe, but yet he don't drop his drink.
Please. Take him.
Yo, why you don't make him like that?
Take
How
him.
are you trying to help your father move his side? You can't even reach that.
Take him. Michael, take him.
No, Michael.
Take him. He's gonna eat my ears.
No, Michael, put seeds on him. Bro, put seeds on him. Bro, put the seeds on him.
Get him off!
Oh, please put this on you. Yo, you scared of a little boy? Make sure all the ghetto boys see this.
Yo, he's biting my ears. Just take my ears.
Put the seeds. Hey, that's a bitch, honey.
Go, Rose. Go. Go. Where are you going? Please. Get him off. Oh, he's on my head. Get him off.
I can't say.
That way.
Birdie. Don't move, bro, because you have seeds on you.
Get him down. Come.
Seed birdie. He found it. Find the birdie.
My neck is getting cramped. I can't move my neck. Get him down. Get him down. Get the bird.
Here, those.
Oh, I'm not touching this bird no more.
He found the
In
seed.
my ear.
Hey.
My neck. I can't move my neck. I caught air. He dropped it.
Put it inside his ear.
Baby cry.
He's on the other side.
Yo, he's in my ear. Get him now.
Used to wake
Michael,
up like an old man.
No.